Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ticker the Trader, and sorry I haven't been around. I've actually had a few things to do in my personal life, and here I am back giving you technical analysis advice, or showing you my indicator technically, the Polaris Trend Indicator. Again, this is a invite-only script, and this is how it works. These are my settings, and if you go here, all I'm asking for is $1 a day, but we are dead on. If you've been losing money in the market, I really don't know what to say, because I've been going live as a proof of concept to show you, when to wait, when to start deploying your capital, and I've been 1,000% right. I am currently batting at a 90% to 100% win rate, which is kind of spooky. Anyway, if you where we usually like to start going to is the weekly. We go monthly, weekly, daily, but mainly we're going to start off on the weekly. And as you can see with SPY, we just turned green today, so we are a buy. But I bought back in here on the daily, back here, sold half my shares here, and then re-entered today. So as you can see, the Polaris Trend Indicator, when you get red columns, it's negative pressure. When you get green columns, it's positive pressure, right? So SPY is technically a buy. I'm going to fly through this list though, just because I don't need to bore you with all the technical details. So basically, the Qs right now on a weekly, which is our confirmation, is a buy. Daily is a buy as well too. We bought back here, sold half our shares, bought back in here. IWM, buy weekly. We got the confirmation today. Got more confirmation here on the daily, so we bought back in. TLT, we're still waiting for confirmation on TLT, and we are not in a buy, so we're technically waiting. TLT is not a buy. Bond market isn't strong right now. Weekly on TNA is a buy, confirmation, and we were a buy here too as well. Nvda, I bought a lot of shares of Nvda down here at $87, about 1,000 or so. We're not confirmed yet on a bounce on a weekly, but and even the daily, so we're still technically waiting. But I'm looking at the 4-hour right now, and this was technically a buy. We might go back up to 106, 107, and then roll back over, or if we break through, trend will continue. I bought a lot of shares of Amazon down here at 162. On a weekly, we didn't get confirmation yet. On the daily, we got confirmation, and this is a buy. I'm going to start changing these to like daily buys, confirmed buys. But right now, you want to stay agile. Put your shares in down here at 169, and then once this turns over to a weekly buy, you're pretty much good up until this hits 199 to 212. Tesla, there's going to be earnings today, and my spidey sense is telling me not to trust it. I really don't feel like it's Elon is focused. I'm not sure how I feel about the stock overall, but right now on a weekly, it's not confirmed buy. On a daily, it is. But we're hitting this negative pressure here. I actually feel like this might roll over. So I'm not sure. I don't like to play earnings. I would say wait. Weekly on Apple is a buy. Daily is a buy. So we're switching this up. Google, great company to invest in. I mean, I'm not a huge Google person, but yeah, we're currently got a short-term buy on the daily. We bounced off this order block, and now we're heading back up. Google's looking good. Meta, no confirmed buy, but we just turned green here. I don't really trust this, but you can buy. If this turns red tomorrow, get out of this trade. Microsoft, almost a confirmed daily buy, almost a weekly buy, but we're still waiting on this. SoFi, absolutely crushing today. We actually had a buy back here, and another buy today. It's climbing up 5% today. Love SoFi. I'm holding that one for many, many years. We got a confirmed buy on Nike. I'm very bullish on Nike. I bought Nike back here at 53 bucks, and I only bought like, $2,000 worth, but it was just a trade that I felt was it's just bottoming. I saw the bottoming pattern, and we got our bullish confirmation on the daily and now on the weekly. So this thing should run. Again, we're using the Polaris Trend Indicator. It's telling us the signals, and they're right. Palantir, this was always a buy weekly, and this was a buy. Palantir is looking good to go. Will continue to run. AVGO is a buy on the weekly. It was a buy on the weekly. It still is. It's losing momentum, but you want to also look at the daily. I would actually wait until this flips to green again. Right now, if you bought back here, we would have took half profits about here, and now we're waiting to get back in. So this might be a good spot, but I'm going to say wait on AVGO. URA, uranium, it is a buy on the weekly, but I'm going to wait until this confirms. To be totally honest with you, if you bought down here, I would just hold. It's up to you though. Weekly on SMH is about to turn green. Daily, about to turn green. I would say I'm going to issue this a buy only because it's going to turn. If it doesn't turn, get out. US oil is having a hard time for the past couple weeks. This is a buy, right? As of right now, oil's a buy, but these trades are very tough right now to make. So what do we look like on the daily? Yep, still a buy. We need this to break over 166, or actually even like 163. Has to happen. Well, when I say 163, 164.15 is where you need it to break over and hold over. Bitcoin, massive move up. I said this was a buy back here. Why? Because we bought here and we bought here. 79,000 was the spot. Ethereum, buy here, buy here. So guys, this is the market. I mean, again, the Polaris Trend Indicator is not, you're not losing. We are not losing, and these are setting up for really long-term holds here. We don't know where the market's going to head. It's very volatile. We could get these massive swings, but just stay agile and watch the Polaris Trend Indicator. This is a subscription based only. You need to sign up for $1 a day, and if you do, you'll get to look at these signals daily. You don't have to wait for me. So, all right. Thanks, everybody.